The TeacherGeek flag waver activity is an excellent introduction into TeacherGeek construction techniques and components. By combining gears, pulleys, and cams, you change rotary motion into linear motion to raise, lower, and wave flags by simply turning a crank. Once you have experienced the TeacherGeek building system, you can create anything with TeacherGeek components. For this build, you will need 2 hole plates, 5 dowel rods, 1 side stop section, 4 stop clips, 5 perpendicular blocks, 1 rubber band, and the decorations of your choice. TeacherGeek recommends this project for ages 10 and up. Due to the difficulty of maneuvering some of the materials and equipment in this build, I would increase that age to the appropriateness of 13 or 15. For this particular TeacherGeek build, like all other TeacherGeek builds, you'll want access to the build guide. It's very, very important to read through the directions carefully with this build. There can be some confusing steps, specifically in what should and should not be reamed. Once all of the components are in place, you might need to make some adjustments so that the mechanisms function smoothly. This required a lot of testing to determine the way that pieces moved with one another and how I could change those to make it flow a little smoother. The final component of this build is cutting out signs that you've created to add to your flag waver. The messages can be changed with seasons, or a theme could be created and your flag waver could represent that theme. If you have any additional questions about materials in this video or others, please visit our website at www.firstmakerspace.com.